Hi guys, my name is Viktor and today I will show you how to make a pumpkin soup. We can start chopping 2 onions. Put the onions and 3 garlics into a pot. Turn on the stove. Add some butter, olive oil, little bit of pumpkin seed oil. Let's prepare the pumpkin. Remove the seeds with a spoon. Cut the pumpkin into small pieces. Add it into the pot. We need salt and pepper. Add 2 liters of water. Now let it cook for 1 hour. After an hour we can mix the pumpkin soup. When the soup is ready, add 200 milliliters of cream. Decorate the soup with cream. Also pumpkin seed oil. On top put some parsley. Pumpkin soup is ready. Let's taste it. Perfect soup for autumn season. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.